Good morning, guys. You have a rainy, Valentine's week in the offing, and this is caused by the shear line with amihan math. You know, the cold amihan mixing with the easterlies, the hotter easterlies, causing this kind of weather here in Cebu, the Visayas and Luzon, and there's even flooding in other parts of the country like Negros. Here in Cebu, there's a potential that there's gonna be flooding as well. We had an orange rainfall alert, so orange is around 100 to 200 mm of water. So we'll see. So I hope na people have to work, so there's no such thing as cancellations. So nag-jacket din, nagkaputi ng mga mga motorcycle riders. Diba? Grabe, kusog kay ulan, kita mo. Sometimes the visibility is quite bad, but we have to adjust, understand, hinay lang traffic ganina sa SRP sa ramp, but once you're on the viaduct already, di man kaayo, okay lang, hinahinay ra, but it's not really traffic. It's just people are being cautious in driving. Di lang na magpakusog, and that's the right thing to do. Diba? Kung manual ka, mag-tersera ka, hindi ka palabig, pabulhot. So, and you have to worry with the lights also. Manaw nindot pagpasiga na lang kudaan. So manay usog kayo, umuwan, dark kayong antay visibility sa city. But in a bit we'll go to the tunnel. Kumusta yung tunnel, hinay lang kita. Pwede man tadi mag-tunnel pero mag-tunnel lang kita. So mana ang question na daw today, what will you do if Valentine's Day gets rained out? What's the plan B? Diba? Okay. Lisod ba na dapat na kay plan B? Sabi na sila Andre, pati invisibility we have to turn off the camera first. Fog man yan, at a choice. So sometimes you don't have a choice. Yan nasiraan dito sa SRP. So but anyway, mauna ang rain is just, I don't know, this is gonna be a whole day thing. So pag nindot kung wakay importanteng lakaw yun, magpuyo ka, but wala to. So hopefully may mga flooded areas karon, but sorry na sa visibility ani. Say magud kini atong mga cameras karon, di ka focus kay na wiper. Lahir sa kuwan kita mo, turn right on there. Going to sa Tanapano sa city. Hopefully way baha di has Bonifacio. Kita na ko ana ta. Pero sige lang, hinahinay lang kita. Ang buwan lang ba. We have to take it slow. So slow. Anywhere you want to go, only to you. Lay it all on the line. Uyawa na to. So, mali. Medyo kuhan lang. Chill lang, chill. Itanda magpa-pressure sa dagan. Okay, bantay tani mga motor kay lisod sa kay mga motor kay kasabot na lisod ang visibility yan. Kaputi po sila. Diba? Basa na eh. Kasukay ta ana, basa ka na itong naong ana. Kani mo, turn left ni padong sa Bonifacio. Ako di ko mag-Bonifacio kay mapong mga lugaran niya. So ang river nato kumusta man paman sa ni overflow. Pero parang di taas na yeah, but wala, it's a rainy week in Cebu. Ang kuha na lang mo, make adjustment sa imong plans because it could be really naramay mga concerts ron, diba, mga lagi si Brian McKnight na si there's new stars lang Jaja Padilla na pas Rex Smith sa tops. So tanawa lang ang weather forecast. So we're gonna pray for, better weather. But Valentine's Day could be rain out. Ikuha lang ana. Kung rain ram gid hindi na akong problema, but if there's flooding in some areas, di sa takakuan ba, we can't be too selfish about ourselves. Pero mao na. Check your plans unsa, and especially if you have any appointments today or be earlier. Diba? Okay, account for the rain. Gapon gali ko expect kusog gid kitong uwan pagkahapon. I was in the other side of the city. Pag-adto na ko sa city, mag-uwan, and magbalik sa nako, dito na sa ang gauwan. Ay maragwa ng uwan pero hindi ko kala. Ano mo na magkabaha dito sa dala na mo. So para, anyway, mauna lang yung atong kuha na lang. Diba? Simple drive lang during Valentine's week. Pero hopefully, mauna ninyo na kuha lang, make plans na daan or say contingencies, kasi like for example matala mo concert sa top, so what if ani ang weather, di ba? You have to consider kung sabi yung sakyanan, diba? Drive mo dito, di ba? Pero kung di sab ka mag-drive dito, saan ba kuli, although there's buses there sa tops, ano mo na ikuan, ano mo na i-package lang 200 ba na or 100, basta ka lang lastly tops na bus, kasakay na ko ana yan, ano mo sugat ba ning trisikat kuya ni tawhana kuya ni Munoy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Natadere sa Gerald Maxwell Avenue, and it's time to go. It's just a short drive, pero matatong gamay ng talk. Make plans, contingency plans. Let me know your plan B for Valentine's, especially kung nag-andam na ba yung planners. Ako ay spontaneous person, not really a planner, but what if yung weather? What if it gets watch out? What if you're planning to have a rooftop dinner? Diba? Or dinner somewhere like the tops. Diba? The logistics, how to get there. Unsay mga pamaagi. Prepare lang, because this weather might persist until the end of February pa. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.